So function, see, JavaScript, initial JavaScript, na, maybe when you have learned in your college days, JavaScript function syntax was something like this. If you have done, are you from CSC background?
Yes, sir. IT branch, yeah.
Okay. So even in C++, okay, C, you used to write
Yeah.
function name. Let's give our function name fun, okay, and the
Then passing arguments.
parentheses and the definition here. Here you yes, here we can accept the arguments also.
Yeah.
Okay. So similar way, let's say I'll write console.log. I am in the function. Okay. So this is my function's definition. Okay. This is my function's declaration. Okay. And how can we call the function? We have to use the function name and execute it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as soon as I executed my function using the function name, it went here, it went inside and did whatever was mentioned there. Right now we only have console.log, so it printed me the log.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a basic function which we have seen in JavaScript. But with recently, what JavaScript has done is it has released its latest version, which is I'm not sure if you are aware of that, ECMAScript. It is the parent organization of JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is basically managed by Mozilla. Mozilla, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Mozilla is what? Mozilla is basically a web browser, and
Yes,
we
sir.
at the very start of the lecture we discussed that uh, JavaScript is the language of browser. Okay, so who built it? Mozilla built it. Okay, so you can find all the documentations related to JavaScript on Mozilla's portal. Okay, okay, so I mentioned they have frequent releases. Like we have frequent releases in Salesforce. If you know, summer
Mhm.
23 is coming. Most latest spring 20. We have three different releases of Salesforce every year. So what happens in those releases? New things are coming up, previous things are getting modified and updated. Okay, so latest version you can say, like we have latest version of applications in our mobile phone.
Mhm.
Similarly, these languages also are getting updated regularly. So ES6 is the latest version of JavaScript, ECMAScript 6. It
Mhm.
has released few things, few new things, and after the launch of this ES6 version of JavaScript only, Salesforce decided to introduce LWC.
Okay.
So with the because see, if I'm not sure if you have done Aura, but Aura is
Mhm.
also based on JavaScript framework. Okay. So then
Yeah.
what was the need of LWC?
Because it is lightweight and faster than the like other components.
Lightweight and faster. But how were they successful in making LWC lighter and faster than Aura? Because LWC is utilizing the latest JavaScript components.
ECMAScript.
ECMAScript 6. Yes. Just
Yeah.
in case somebody
Yes,
asks
sir.
you that why we you prefer LWC, you already know that answer, lightweight and fast.
Mhm.
What is that thing which has made LWC faster and lighter than Aura? It is a launch of ES6, ECMAScript 6 version of JavaScript, which is based having component based things. Okay, that's why we say Lightning Web Component. Okay,
Okay.
ES6 is also based on web component structure. Okay, few new things are introduced, and we will be discussing the very first thing which is introduced. So earlier we used to write our functions like this. Okay, so
Mhm.
let me comment it out. Let's see what ECMAScript 6 has given us. And this format we will be following throughout our LWC also. Okay. You won't see functions like this there. Maybe somewhere you will see, but usually we will be using the ECMAScript 6 function. So the syntax is whatever name you have given here, you have to make it a kind of variable. Okay. How do we initialize a variable? By putting is equal to after it,
Mhm.
correct? So first thing is the function name you have to give on the left hand side of is equal to. Then the usual syntax, you have the curly braces, okay?
Mhm.
And after curly braces, this sorry, not curly braces, normal braces. Okay. After normal braces, curly braces usually start in the basic format. But here there is something new introduced, which is called fat arrow is equal to
Arrow
this
function.
greater than sign. Arrow functions. Yes, fat arrow functions. Or you also call it as asynchronous. There are multiple names. Fat arrow functions, or asynchronous function, one and the same thing. So after that, yes, you can give the definition. Okay,
Okay.
so you can write console dot.
Sir, it was another sir. Like I have understood like how to write, like how to declare a function equal to, then like how to declare. Like,
You want me to repeat this part?
yeah, man, the first part function. How you have like written like how to declare like function is equals to, yeah,
Yeah. So I mean, just observe this. The regular syntax, you already have worked on this in multiple
yeah,
languages.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Function keyword, then function name. So
yeah.
the function keyword has been removed now.
Okay,
Okay.
and we are adding fun.
Yes. So directly we have to give the function name. To be specific, I'll name it as like this. Okay. Function name.
Okay,
Okay. So you must have seen something. As soon as my first alphabet ended, I have made my second alphabet capital. Second word's alphabet, first alphabet as capital. So this casing will be followed in LWC. If
okay,
any particular word we are using for variable or any method, and it is made of two different words. So as soon as the first word will end, the second word starting will first alphabet will become capital. So this casing, don't worry, we will see in LWC also. So I
okay.
was following that format. So function name, whatever the name of the function was there, and then you our
So
usual
no, sir.
where we
Okay,
use
okay. So what does the arrow
hmm,
function do here?
arrow. I mean, there is no logical reasoning behind it. This is a
Okay,
format which has been introduced in ECMAScript 6.
okay.
Okay,
That is
so this is
the
a
thing.
format.
Okay, fine. Just a second, sir. I have to write this
Hmm.
function, capital letter, and then this arrow function. Oh, yeah, go
Okay,
on.
so in normal function also you mentioned that we have to pass parameters here. Okay, so
Yeah.
whatever parameters were passing inside those closed braces, similar thing will remain here also. We have to pass our parameters in that braces only. Okay, this thing will remain same. Just is equal to has come in front of it.
Okay.
Okay, so and after passing the values in the parameters, we have to use this fat arrow, and then the same things will remain same. The method or functions definition will be there.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
same purpose is same. Just they have changed the format of writing a function. Okay, so now we don't write functions like this anymore there.
Okay. Cool. Understood,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Okay, so this was all about uh, fat arrow.
Functions.
Let's yeah, functions